For over 60 years, the ARC Alliance has been in your community, providing support and services for families and individuals with special needs. From birth through life, the ARC Alliance team of experts and specialists are here to find solutions to your needs.
For years, we felt alone as we take care of our son. The ARC Alliance support team brings compassion and understanding to our family and provides hands-on solutions.
The ARC Alliance, we're here to help you today. For more information, call 610-265-4700 or visit thearcalliance.org.
Hi everyone, my name is Emma Hardacre and I work for the ARC Alliance, and today Nikki and I get to show you around Little Rock, which we are here today, and we're going to talk about our golf outing that's happening in September. So come on guys, let's go check it out. The ARC Alliance is holding their annual golf outing here at Little Rock on September 12th. As a fundraiser for the ARC Alliance programs, the programs that we're raising money for are the supports coordination, early intervention, and guardianship.
We offer early intervention services to children with developmental delays from birth to 3 years old. This includes services such as speech therapy or physical therapy in their everyday settings. Our supports coordinators help individuals 3 years and up who have intellectual and/or developmental disabilities as well as autism. Supports coordination includes everything from identifying, locating, and monitoring essential services based on the individual's needs. Our guardians protect the welfare and financial well-being of incapacitated individuals in need. This goes well beyond IDD. We provide these services for individuals with any disability who may have been deemed incapacitated by the court.
Thank you, Nikki, for telling us about the programs that the ARC Alliance has to help individuals with disabilities. Let's head back to Emma at the golf course. The ARC Alliance is a lifeline for these individuals. These families and individuals may have never heard about their disability and they may need our help. Some of these individuals are the only ones left living in their family. Some of these individuals need someone to fight for them, to stand up for their rights when they can't. The ARC Alliance strives to help these individuals, their families, and those around them to create a full and meaningful life for them. Without the ARC, these individuals and their families are left on their own. And sometimes when they are left on their own to figure these things out on how to have a full and meaningful life, they run into some problems. But with the help of people like you, the ARC is able to provide things like physical therapy for a toddler who's learning how to walk, transportation for an individual who might be homebound, guardianship services for an individual who is impaired, an iPad and software, even speech therapy help and summer camps for a teenager with disabilities. Now that you know about our why we are doing this event, let's go and check in with Nikki and learn about how you can get more involved.
Hi, Emma.
Hi, Nikki. We're so excited to have our golf outing here at Little Rock. We talked about our why we are doing this event. Can you share with everybody more about the event and how they can get involved?
Absolutely. We are going to be having the 2022 ARC Alliance golf outing at Little Rock Golf Club here behind Emma and I. It's going to be on Monday, September 12th, and we hope that you can join us. Registration will be at 10 a.m. We will be having the driving range open starting at 10:30 and a shotgun start starting at 11:30. And all morning we will have coffee from our favorite barista, Barista Jake from the Coffee Closet. Our registration as a golfer includes bagged lunch with a hoagie from Carfagno's Main Street Pizza. The lunch will be courtesy of Stalker and Associates. Golfers will enjoy beer and wine, dinner and awards, and contests all day long. Our contests include closest to the pin, longest drive, hole-in-one, where you can win a car from Concordville Nissan. We're very excited. You don't have to be a great golfer to win though. We are going to have raffles and prizes, gift cards, whiskey and cigars, wine and cheese, brewery tasting, and you can win a studio session with WIP's Angelo Cataldi. We hope you can join us for the golf outing on September 12th. See you soon.
Nikki, did you know that there are several ways that people can be involved with our golf outing here at Little Rock? One way is by being a golfer. We are selling singles and foursomes. And for those non-golf pros out there like myself, that's a group of 4 golfers. We're selling these until September 7th.
I did, and if you don't golf, you can still support the ARC Alliance. Join us for dinner. You can be a sponsor, buy a hole sign, honor someone special with a tribute, or make a donation. We're accepting donations of prizes, gift cards, and of course, good old cash. Your support will help us change lives. Please visit thearcalliance.org for more information. And you can find us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. We hope that you'll join us on Monday, September 12th for the Arc Alliance Golf Outing, supporting individuals with disabilities. Thanks so much and have a great day.
The ARC Alliance has helped my family and I discover the world of early intervention and all of its benefits. For many but not all people, learning of a certain need or a special diagnosis of your child can be a tough season in life. The ARC for me brought a lot of clarity during this time. From the very beginning, it was clear the goals we would set and the steps we would take to achieve those goals. Our life has been better because of the ARC. They came into our home with knowledge and love and challenged us as a family to work together with the best interests of our child. It made me more resilient and creative as a mother, and most of all, it gave me hope. I can't thank the ARC enough for sending the wonderful therapists into our home. They will never be forgotten.
Well, thank you, Heather, so much for having me on your Facebook show, Hanging with Heather. I really enjoyed the time that we spent together, and I'm really excited that we get the chance to turn the tables a little bit and interview you and get to know Heather. So thank you for being with us today. Heather, why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself? Tell us, how long have you been working with the ARC Alliance?
My name is Heather Mascaro. I live with my parents in Amber, Pennsylvania. I worked many years. I had a job with the ARC Alliance for many years.
That's great. And who have you worked with here at the ARC Alliance? Who do you remember?
I have some of the coordinator, my board coordinator were helping me out with my service for Lake Pass and Canada group.
Excellent, excellent.
So Heather, I know you have a job. Can you tell me what your job is and what you do at your job?
First, I will volunteer at the Dream Gym library.
Oh, awesome.
Then I was a whole coach for English for Good, and then I was host on Baseball Live, Hanging with Heather.
Excellent.
And that's where I got my job, and I got a paid job.
That's great. I love paid jobs. Heather, yeah. I was super excited for my paid job. I bet you were too.
Yeah. I'm an employee of the job I have now.
That's great.
I love it.
Awesome. So I know you said you volunteered. Did that help lead you to get your job?
Yep.
Yeah?
Yep, I did volunteer the job first, and then I got an employee to get my job.
That's great. So what is your favorite part about your job, Heather?
I help with the Superman project and do the kindness walk. I interview people.
That's always fun.
People Live, Hanging with Heather.
I've seen your Hanging with Heather videos. They're really cool. I saw the one with you and Nikki in it.
Yeah.
It was neat. We saw the one also where you interviewed your sister, Nikki.
Yes.
And that was a really cool show too.
Yep.
We should tell our viewers to go back to Hanging with Heather. We'll put the URL on the screen here and have them check out your past episodes.
Yeah.
And be able to watch it live on, what is it, on Mondays and?
Monday at 10 o'clock to 10:30 and 12 o'clock to 12. The Monday 12 to 12:30, Friday at 10 o'clock to 10:30.
Excellent. Heather, what would you like people to know about you? What is one thing that everybody needs to know about Heather?
I'm sweet, I'm kind, I'm talented, autistic.
That's amazing. I definitely can see all of those, Heather.
Yeah, and helpful.
Awesome, definitely.
If you could tell anybody out there watching us today, what would you want them to know about the ARC Alliance?
The ARC Alliance is, I was in ARC Alliance many years. I got service, but first I was in like path, and then I would do it in college groups.
And would you say that it's helped you?
It helped me a lot because I could be more independent, and it helped me more independent myself.
Absolutely. And independence is so important.
Yeah.
So if there's somebody out there watching us today who wants to gain more independence, would you say that reaching out to
ARC Alliance is one of my favorite organizations because I like to be more independent and meet new people.
Heather, we just wanted to thank you. Thank you for having Nikki on Hanging with Heather, and then thank you for hanging with us again. And we just hope that you have a good rest of your day.
Thank you.
It was so great talking with you and getting to know you better.
Heather Michelson.
Heather Michelson.
Yeah.
Thanks, Heather.
Awesome.
You're welcome.
We'll see you.